Hailey Bieber is finally addressing the rumors that have been blowing up online. She recently appeared at the Time 100 Gala, and beyond just showing up, she also spoke out about the speculation surrounding her and Billie Eilish, specifically the idea that she was somehow jealous during that viral Coachella moment. According to her, that narrative could not be further from the truth. She explained that the moment involving Billie was actually something she had been thinking about for months. It was not spontaneous or awkward, it was intentional. In fact, she described Billie as someone she and Justin Bieber genuinely admire, saying they love her and think she is incredible. The idea, she said, was to create a full circle moment, especially since their connection goes back to meeting at Coachella. Seeing it all come together in real time was something she found really special. That explanation directly shut down the online narratives that she was upset or sidelined, because online things looked very different. There were claims that she was jealous, that she wanted to be in that spotlight moment, that she was somehow competing for attention, but realistically, that interpretation does not fully line up with the bigger picture. From a public perception standpoint, if she had taken that moment instead, it could have easily backfired. It might have shifted attention away from Justin's performance and sparked a completely different wave of criticism, accusations of attention-seeking, insecurity, or trying to control the spotlight. In that sense, stepping back may have actually been the smarter move. Beyond that, there is also a noticeable shift in how Hailey presents herself publicly. Compared to older interviews, her tone, delivery, and overall image feel more polished and controlled. It reflects a level of media training and brand positioning that is clearly intentional. She is being shaped into a more refined, brand safe public figure somehow. Someone who fits the role of modern it girl, and in many ways that is already happening. Her brand Road has been gaining strong attention, and her influence on platforms like TikTok continues to grow. The image being built now is very different from earlier phases of her public life. At the same time, that transformation has not gone unnoticed. There are still conversations online about her past, and some people feel that while the rebrand is working, it does not fully address previous controversies. It raises the questions of whether a more direct acknowledgement could actually strengthen her public image even more. But when it comes to Billie's situation, specifically, the idea that she was upset does not seem to hold much weight. If anything, the decision appears calculated both in terms of avoiding backlash and maintaining a positive narrative around the moment. Meanwhile, Justin Bieber has been receiving strong reactions following recent performance, and adding unnecessary controversies into that moment could have easily shifted the focus in a negative direction. In the end, that looked like drama online may have actually been something far more intentional behind the scenes, and like most things in celebrity culture, what goes viral, it is not always the full story.